In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits on Roblox. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over to roblox.com. Now on the web version of Roblox, go ahead and sign in to your account, and in here, go ahead and click on the create button, and this will take you to the creator hub of Roblox. So in here, just go ahead and head over to the creation section by clicking on the creations button at the left side of your screen, and in here, go ahead and head over to the development items section, which you'll find beside the avatar items section. So just go ahead and click on development items, and here go ahead and click on decals under the development items, and in here go ahead and click on the upload asset to be able to create a decal on Roblox Creator Hub to be able to create your crew logo for Blox Fruits. Now in here, you'll need to upload your crew logo. Just go ahead and click on the upload button and upload the logo from your local drive. Click on open, and this logo will be uploaded on Roblox Creator Hub. In this section, you can name your logo along with incorporating a description for your logo before you upload the logo on your Roblox Creator Hub. So just go ahead and create a simple name for your logo in this section and create a description for this logo. The maximum characters for the description would be 1,000 characters. Once you have created a name and description for your logo, just go ahead and click on the upload button to upload this logo on Roblox Creator Hub. Now once this logo has been uploaded, look for that logo and click on the three dots at the top right of this logo. Now click on open asset details, and this will take you into a new page where you'll be able to find all of this information. So you can just simply copy the link of your logo to be able to incorporate to your Blox Fruit crew logo, and that's how you can simply create a crew logo in Blox Fruit.